Hackers are the dreaded terrorists of cyberspace who can bring the best laid-out networks to their knees and put business operations to a grinding halt. Hence, the government has seen the urgent need to tap their invaluable expertise on cyber systems and software to protect its assets of information and data, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
Use the expertise in cybersecurity to protect and not to destroy. This is the message of Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT Secretary Henry Aguda to Filipino hackers after the recorded cyber attack incidents on some government websites last September 21. At the RootCon 19 hacking conference in Clark, Pampanga, Secretary Aguda insisted that inciting online violence does not just divide people. It also lowers the credibility and profession of cybersecurity experts. Hence, Filipino hackers were encouraged to be partners of the government in detecting and combating threats to cyberspace. The DICT also plans to launch a bounty program or reward system for cybersecurity experts who can detect vulnerabilities in government systems or can formulate effective programs for protected cyberspace. Aside from fighting cyber attacks, they can also help in combating other cyber crimes such as online scams, phishing, and identity theft. Some cybersecurity professionals are willing to help the government.
Halimbawa, yung phishing, phishing? Ang goal na ay para for financial gain. So once na nakuha yun sa'yo, apektado na yung buong buhay mo. So yun, I'm willing to help the government.
Providing my help to the government will increase the awareness within the country.
Lalo na ngayon kasi we are aware that cybersecurity is fast-paced and improving and improving. Lalo na hindi natin malalaman kung may panibagong threats pa yan or ganun.
DICT also said a cybersecurity private sector advisory council will be established to promote cyberspace collaboration between government and the private sector. Filipino hackers are also welcome to apply and work in the government.
CICC's position: reforms should extend protection and incentives to ethical hackers similar to whistleblowers.
Ethical hackers is the term for those who use their cybersecurity expertise for good faith activities rather than crime and other underground activities. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.